So finally I'm back. Ready, set, go. Hello guys, it's Sunny from Ultimate Tech Review back with another video. So this video is a small brief update about what's happening with my channel, and for those people who don't know, my channel was hacked. Yes, you heard it right, hacked. I know it's 2020, nobody calls it a hack, but technically it was hacked. So I don't know how it happened, but my guesses are that I might have installed some sort of third-party application on my device which gave access to my data and which led to this. So it took 4 months to recover my channel with the help of creator support team, and after exchanging more than hundreds of email with them, finally they did it. Yeah, the process was bit slow, but yeah, better late than never. So my motive to make this video was not only to share a channel update, but also aware you guys that if you have any sort of social media account, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, just make it as much as secure as possible, because there are a lot of internet creeps out there which are trying to get access to your data, which might lead to some sort of misuse. So guys, that's it for now. If you're watching this video, thanks for your support. We'll surely continue to make videos on this channel, and as every YouTuber say, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.